Guys, early Slayat baby. Oh, whoops. I'm sorry that I'm Godzilla. Oh! No! No! Why is Meowl over there? I'm everywhere right now. Okay, let me put on my outfit. Sino yan? Sino yan? I'm literally... Nasaan ikaw? Nasaan mo kasi ah? Who the hell is this? Wait, I'm gonna spawn my supercar. Who wants to get in my supercar? Ako. No, you're not coming in. Best friend only. Best friend can only. Bakit nandito ikaw? Wait. Naging sakla. Wait, I forgot to change my name to ID. I forgot to make myself no name. Kaya Dodong, punta ka dito. Punta ka dito sa atin. Naging sakla. Okay, I'm Filipino. Oh! Oh no, I don't know how to drive. I'm only E9. What I'm gonna do? This is gonna be so super fun. Kaya Dodong, punta ka dito. Oh my god. Brother, what's that, brother? No! No! Secreted ko din mo siya. Don't make myself. Don't force me to eat food. I will become cook myself. Oh my god. Wala na yung takla. Pinatay ko na. Bakit ganyan yung sasakyan mo? Who wants to get in my supercar? Super poop car. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Nag-escape na ako. Wag ka pumunta dito. Di mo ako makuha. Di nyo ako makuha kasi ako si Gingerbread Man. I became the Gingerbread Man. Don't worry, I'm not gonna eat you cause Ginger want to escape. No, my supercar! Goodbye. No, dito pwede pumunta dito. Hindi ka pwede makapunta. Di mo ko makuha kasi ako si Gingerbread Man. We're magical gingerbread man. Psych. Bye-bye. You can't catch me because I'm the gingerbread man. Wait. Kanina sa a robbery, do not enter. Di mo kumukuha kasi ako yung gingerbread man. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gingerbread man has these little thingies. Tignan mo si gingerbread man, nakasakay dito. Ako si gingerbread man. Ala, kukunin niya sa ako kasi ako yung gingerbread man. Not gonna lie. Sila nag-joke. Nag-ano na ako, nag-escape. Huwag mo ako puntahan. Ayaw ko makain. Nasaan ikaw? Saan ikaw? Ano? Nasaan ka? Wala.